G'day. So it's been a while since been able to do a bit of work on the van, so super pumped to be back into it. So today we're going to try to make this channel here. So yeah, first of all we need these threads here, so I've got to try to get a nut into here somehow, and then I'll measure up this channel, then we'll get going. Oh well, I was able to get thread in there, the nut, so sweet. So I know it's a bit loose, but I should be able to come in through this way with a magnet if I have troubles. But yeah, beautiful. So this is the channeling we got. It's yeah, 2.5 centimeters wide. It's got the groove in, which the screw heads fit in, which is good. So now we'll just measure it up to 850, cut it up. Beautiful. Alright, see if we need to make some minor adjustments to here or not, or if we can get away with it. So close but so far. So I reckon I will have to make an adjustment, because oh yeah, that's loose as fuck. But anyway, before I adjust that, I can only get this far anyway, because I'm assuming, yep, that is chockers full of foam. So get chiseling away at that. Fuck, he loved his foam, eh? Well, after loads and loads of scraping and a bit more scraping and a little bit more scraping, we got the door open. Look at it. That's killer. Heaps more room. So yep, managed to scrape all that crap out under there into the channel. The homemade channel worked wicked, although I will give it a bit more support, chuck a couple more support screws in there, like I did with that silver one. If you can see, that gave it hell tight. But yeah, fucking stoked. Look at it. Woohoo! Not bad for a lazy Sunday afternoon. Alrighty, Nadine's first drive.
Here we go.
G'day. Alright, so today we're just the painful thing of just measuring everything up, pretty much the kitchen and everything to see if it fits. So got to make the bed, kitchen sink, toilet, everything fit around here. So yeah, give that a couple of hours of planning. Alrighty, so we think we've got it all sussed out after what, 20 plannings and yeah, lots of planning. So we reckon we'll get the fridge going in here, we'll get some cupboard space up here, that way we've still got access to the fridge, that can get plugged into the socket there. In this space we'll have the water jugs, the fresh water and wastewater coming up to the tap. With the bench top, we'll have the old Thunderbox here, which you'll be able to pull out and have your shit on there. We haven't decided yet to get a window view out the windscreen or have a scenic view out the side window yet. Let's see what the neighbours are up to. Slide that back in. The Bluetti power box or EcoFlow power box can go here yet. More than likely Bluetti, I don't know. Yeah, that can go here, then that'll have the bench top across here where the sink will be. We've still got all our bench space all up here.
Slide out kitchen.
The bed space is from this line, so we'll have a 2 metre queen size bed here, and then this blue one here is a slide out kitchen where the Weber's going to be. So yeah, if you can see it from there with the sun, so we'll pour that out, that'll come out to here. We can cook our human remains there, put all that back in there, and all this section here then will be storage for gazebos, chairs, yeah, I don't know, all of Nadine's alcohol, stuff like that. So yeah, that's the plan so far. What do you reckon, girls? Hey, sound good? So obviously we'll be using the side door now for them to come in and out. Is it good enough, Kayla? And yeah, and then that can be their room for while we're travelling. And the bed while we're travelling. This can be my seat when we're playing cards and shit. Nadine can sit on the bed up here. We can have a little fold-out table here. Still got all this room up here for storage. So yeah, so far I reckon.
So far so good.
Killer. Alright, let's see how we go. Next step is try to figure out this. So yeah. Clean all this up, move it all a little bit so I'll get to learn about solar. Woohoo! Spaghettis! Cool, thank you, man. G'day. So today we've got some nice sunny weather outside, so give us a chance to do a service on the van. So just got to do oil and filter change for now. Figured out she had a flat battery, so replaced the battery. We've got to do a puncture repair and then do a good check over her. So just make sure she's all good, check what needs doing on her, I guess. But all the gear I've got's like rated to 1300 Ks. This thing's like 3 tons, so I had to get some big boys, had to get a 3 ton kind of ratchet stands and a bottle jack. But anyway, got the battery, the oil, filter, but yeah. So yeah, pretty keen to get started on that. Yeah, so I guess change up into some working on car clothes and get going from there. Let's go. Yeah. Alrighty, g'day. So today, Postman Pat come and passed and dropped off our Bluetti for the van today. We got the Bluetti Elite 200 V2. So yeah, let's see what she looks like. Pretty excited. Can't remember the specs off by hand because we looked at so many different ones, so I'm sure it'll tell you in there, but this one was definitely the perfect one for us.
2600 watt.
Yeah, 2600 watt. I can't remember the boost, but yeah, I'll tell you. Woohoo! Don't know what to expect really, so a box for the power box. So there we go, yep, the Elite 200 V2. Got the DC wall power adapter, and we've got the solar cables. I can't remember off by heart, XTC something to the normal ones, I can't remember, but yeah, I know you may need an adapter to plug them into normal ones. But yeah, here we go, let's have a look. Yeah, I've got the box. Here she is. So like 24 kilos she weighs all up. There she is. No more battery anxieties, I reckon. Ooh.